Welcome, everyone. It's Ken Sloan from Agility Innovation Partners. Very pleased to be able to join Jake Kerr, CEO of 39 North Health Plans. Jake has a very interesting story, and Jake and 39 North are also our newest innovation partner that we're bringing to market through our preferred brokers in Colorado. So Jake, welcome.
Thank you, Ken. It's great to be here.
Yeah, it's great to have you here as well. And we're here in Evergreen, Colorado, which happens to be my hometown and
my hometown as well.
And Jake's hometown as well. So Jake, really great to have you here. I think our goal for this is to really help educate those who we're distributing product with and our brokers in Colorado to understand a little bit more about 39 North, your aspirations, your business model, and a little bit about you as a CEO. So again, thank you so much for joining us today. So tell us a little bit about your journey.
My journey began as a molecular biologist, actually. I was working in labs, eventually moved over into the investment and product development side of things. I was working for a large hospital system locally, and my team's job was to screen the most innovative new products in biotech, pharmaceutical, med device, digital health, you name it, for partnerships with the hospital and investment directly for the hospital. And one day, a project came across my desk that I thought was absolutely amazing. Some researchers had found a genetic marker on leukemia cells that could prove that certain meds would work in treatment and certain meds would not. And in the realm of genetics, this is basically the holy grail. So we went to the CFO of the hospital system and we said, look at this amazing thing. And he turned to us and he said, leukemia patients are our high value patients. I don't want to touch this. I don't want to do anything. And I swear that 25 different jaws dropped at that moment hearing that. We were so surprised at that answer coming from the hospital system, a place that we all think really values and cares and dedicates its resources to helping patients. And this was the moment for me that I knew that I needed something to change about this. And fast forward about 4 months later or so, I became a patient of the very same hospital system. I've been having seizures, sometimes twice a day. It was really impacting my life, my work, my relationships, my ability to live. And I got in the cycle of being passed from specialist to specialist to specialist. Many of you probably have friends or family that have been through a similar situation as this. It's miserable. And you feel alone, you feel scared, you feel like nobody's helping you. And I was reminded of that conversation that I had with the CFO. I was not a high value patient to them. They didn't know exactly what was going on with me. I didn't fit a box. I didn't fit into a criteria that made them really want to, in the system, encouraged to take care of me. And so I ended up seeking care elsewhere. And it turned out that I was experiencing strokes instead of seizures, small strokes. And I've been doing significantly better since. This is several years ago. But after that experience, I really knew, seeing it from a patient, seeing it from an administrator, there's something that needs to be done about healthcare in terms of access, in terms of quality, in terms of payment. All the barriers in healthcare need to disappear. And in order to do that, we need to fundamentally change the way that we pay for and that our insurance delivers care back to its patients and its members.
That's awesome. It's quite an interesting story. And regrettably not so unique, even though it's really kind of explains why you've created 39 North. So thank you for that, Jake. It's great to see you healthy and it's great to see you making a difference. Maybe tell us a little bit about what you're hoping for with 39 North in the community. So what does that look like, success for this community here in Colorado for employers?
I want to have the best healthcare experience for employers, for employees and patients that we can possibly offer. And experience to me is a lot of different things. It's access, it's ability to get in to see a doctor when you need it. It's going to the right doctor at the right time instead of going to something that really isn't valuable. And then it's also payment, because we know that we're one of the only countries in the world where people go bankrupt from their medical bills. So all of these things combined, we aim to make so much better than the current status quo in healthcare.
Thank you. That's awesome. Take us a little bit back to where is 39 North today? Who are you serving? What size groups? Tell us a little bit about sort of your niche right now, ideal client profile.
Sure can. So we just launched this year, so we are still very new.
Hmm.
Our ideal customer profile is self-funded groups, anywhere in between 50 and 500 lives, operating within the Front Range of Colorado. And really, we're open to most all industries because we know that these problems aren't just unique to certain industries.
Great.
So anything from a manufacturing company to an agriculture company to a financial service company, we love to serve.
Awesome. And what does that mean, 39 North?
Great question. 39 North is the latitude of Colorado.
Hmm.
It actually splits right in between Evergreen, Denver, and goes all the way up to Fort Collins.
Awesome.
So really for us, 39 North, creating it, the core of what we are is serving the Colorado community that we know needs new innovative solutions like this so
Yeah.
so desperately.